So, in this AI tool, ito yung magagamit nyo, no? If you want to speed up email responses and chat support to your customers. Okay, who wants to speed up email responses and chat support to your customers? Ito yung app na pwede nyong gamitin, no? Yung AI tool na to. And the name of this app is Merlin. Yan, Merlin. It is a Google Chrome extension. Okay, this is something that solves a really big problem. I'm gonna share you why. If you have a company, then you have a virtual assistant, VA, doing email chat support, pwede nyong magamit to. Now, what is email chat support? Email chat support is sila yung mga nag-handle ng mga customer complaints or mga customer na nagigive ng feedback. So, sila yung mag-handle nun, magre-reply doon sa mga complaints na yon or sa mga feedbacks na yon. Okay? So, for example, you're a company receiving 100 emails per day from your customers. So, as an email chat support, yung VA mo doing email chat support task, it would take time to manually write email responses to every single email. Right? It would take time. So, kung 100 emails yan, possible mga 20 to 30 lang yung talagang kayang replyan yan throughout the day. No, depende kasi sa lalim din or sa bilis din nung VA mo or doon sa kung gaano ka-komplikado yung ina-address niyang problem or nire-replyan niyang email. So, many customers will be left hanging. Hindi lahat mare-replyan. So, this is what Merlin can do. I'm gonna show you guys what is Merlin. Ito yung kaya niyang gawin. I-demo ko sa inyo. Okay? Are you ready, guys? So, first is you open a Google Chrome. Yan. Kailangan Google Chrome yung web browser na gagamitin nyo, no? Then, you need to install this Chrome extension. So, just type Merlin AI extension. And you can see, ito yung icon niya. Ayan. Merlin AI. Click mo lang yan. And then, and get started for free. May free version ng Merlin. Okay? It's free. So, makita nyo extension, install nyo lang yung AI. So, sa akin kasi naka-install na siya. Kaya remove from Chrome na yung nakalagay dyan. Sa inyo, i-add. Add extension. So, i-add nyo lang siya. Then, install it into your desktop or laptop. Then, after you installed it, you go to your Gmail account. Ayan, sa Gmail nyo. Okay. Then, gamitin natin siya to respond to the emails. Okay? Kung paano siya makakatulong. Okay. So, let me choose an email to na pagre-responda natin, pagre-replyan natin. Okay. Let's wait. Alright. So, example, this one. Yan. Yan. Si from Mirat Kothand. Yan. So, yan. Sabi niya, afraid of scaring people away. So, ever thought of sharing something? Yan. Mahaba yung ano niya. So, ako, gusto ko lang siyang replyan, no? To appreciate. So, i-highlight mo yung message niya. Then, press Control M. Control M. Again, okay. Control M. Yan. Pagka Control M mo, lalabas na si Merlin dyan. Yan. Tapos, ito na yung selected text. So, ito, dito mo ilalagay yung prompt mo, no? For example, ang ilalagay ko is act as me, reply to this email with appreciation. Yan. So, yan yung papagawa ko kay Merlin. So, siya na yung magre-reply ngayon dito sa email na to. Okay? So, yan na guys, no? So, makikita nyo, ayan, haba. Diba? Si Merlin na yung gumawa ng email respond for us, for me. Ayan. Dear Mira, thank you for sharing your thoughts and insight on addressing the fears and misconceptions that may arise when connecting with our ideal clients. It can indeed be challenging, blah, 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 blah. Diba? Warm regards. Of course, palitan mo na lang to. Ikaw yung ilagay mo, no? Hindi. Merlin powered by GT 5.5 architecture. So, yan siya. O, copy mo lang yan. Ayan, copy mo siya. Then, you can use what you've copied to reply to this email. Yan. Tapos, James Mentor. Ayan. So, with that, pwede na ako mag-send ng email kay Mira. Ha? So, with that, di ba, nakapag-send ako ng email response kay Mira. Okay? So, marami pang use yan. For example, pwede kang pumunta kay Google, no? Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin. For example, you want to study about butterfly. Si Merlin, okay. All. Punta tayo sa all. Ayan. Okay. Medyo mabagal yung internet, no? Pero, ayan. Nakita nyo dito. Naglo-load siya dito. Si Merlin to. No? Sasabihin niya rin yung anything about dito sa sinesearch mo. Yan. Oh, okay. Lumabas na si Merlin. Yan. So, butterfly is a beautiful insect. So, aside from what you're going to search, yung bibigyan ni Google, magbibigay na rin si AI. Yan. Tapos, let's chat. Pwede ka pumunta dyan. Tapos, pwede ka ulit mag-tanong or mag-ano ng prompt. Anything that is specific for this topic. So, that's how Merlin can help you in your research and in your email responses and chat support. Diba? So, nakakatulong siya, guys, diba? Imagine how can Merlin help you. So, ito pala yung screenshot. Yan. Imagine how many hours this will save in responding. And responding yan are typo lang, no? To emails. Okay? So, that's it, guys.